The iconic Indian film Sholay, which celebrated its 50th anniversary this year, is set to re-release in its original cut. In exclusive interview with Beyond Samarpita Das, film's co-writer Javed Akhtar shares that the final cut, which was released in 1975, was actually the alternate cut. Listen in.
अच्छा मतलब वो लोग पहचानते नहीं मुझे तो फिर क्या जरूरत है आप करिए सवाल मैं आई गेट वेरी एम्बैरेस्ड टेकिंग माय ओन नेम दिस इज द ड्राफ्ट देयर वाज नो सेकंड वर्जन एट ऑल दिस इज द ड्राफ्ट दैट यू हैव सीन except we had to change the end because of the censor board but now we are re-releasing the film with the original end all over India again. No, there is not the alternative ending. So far you have seen the alternative ending. Now it is the original ending which was shot and then we had to change it because of the censor board's order. So now you will see the film in its original form. I don't think we have created image for Dharmendra or Amitabh Bachchan. We wrote a script and they were the best actor for these roles. That's about all. So we did not write to give them an image. They were stars. Maybe Amitabh was not that successful star, but we were sure that he is the best choice for Zanjeer because of his talent. So we did not create an image for him. We wrote a character and we looked for the best actor to do the role. And he was the best actor, or Dharamji was the best actor for these roles. And they were competent actors anyway, so हमने थोड़ी बना दिया उन्हें competent. But ask young people why they are seeing this picture or why they are so keen to see it. They have watched it on video, they have watched it on TV, and then too they see the film. When there was a show of Sholay in Bombay. I mean, you had a 3 furlong long queue for the ticket, and they knew every dialogue. Why were they seeing a film which they remember by heart? Complete hall was repeating every line. एक डायलॉग है अगला वो बोलेगा कोई तो it was strange but somehow it is like that. Why it has happened I wish I knew it. So every time I would have written a Sholay. What is necessary for any writer or any artist is the word which we often use in music, tayyari. Writing should be the last thing you do. For years of your formative years should be spent for reading. The more you read the masters, the more you understand the art of writing. You should know poetry, all kind of poetry. Literary poetry, folk songs, bhajans, qawwalis, loris lullabies that mothers sing in their homes and so on. आपके पास जो repertoire जितना बड़ा होगा, vocabulary का और styles का और genres का, आप उतने कॉम्पिटेंटली लिखेंगे तो यू डोंट नीड टू बी अ ग्रेट पोएट टू राइट फिल्म सॉन्ग बट यू हैव टू हैव ग्रेट वोकेबलरी एंड वर्सटिलिटी वो ज़रूरी आई मीन सी मसान हाउ वेल इट इज़ रिटन आई हैव सीन दिस पिक्चर सुपर बॉयज ऑफ मालेगांव आई एनवी द राइटर द वे इट इज़ रिटन ब्रिलियंट राइटिंग देयर आर सो मेनी पिक्चर्स दैट कम एंड दिस पिक्चर दैट हैज़ गॉन फॉर ऑस्कर्स Homebound, brilliantly written. तो ऐसा नहीं है कोई dearth है talent की. Somewhere we are failing them, they are not failing us. I think it's a great effort and it's moving in the right direction because you see there is no dearth of talent in this country. What is the dearth is of the platforms, of the opportunities, of the ways for the artist to convey his art to the people. So ये जो है, this is what we are doing, and a great achievement so far, and I see a very bright future for this. And while on one hand IPRS is committed to it, we are so happy that we have total cooperation from Ministry of Culture.